I saw you catch one. They're kind of slow today, ain't they?
Real slow today. They was feeding up the hill for a minute, so I guess that's why I caught that one. It was feeding them. That was the only one.
Did you do any good on the top water?
No. Yeah, I can't even do biting the top.
Last year, this parking lot was full. And it was so full that they were actually parking out here on the football field. I think there'll be more people down here tomorrow. I noticed the game wardens are not here today either. These are the guys from Pennsylvania. They know me. I met him at the Triangle. That's Undercover Baits. He's on Facebook. He sells high quality lures. That's Undercover Baits right there. They're all running jet boats, jet outboards. They're going up to Gaston right now and put in.
You're not Jeff Tiz, are you?
Yeah.
Yeah, let me shake your hand. Come on, Caswell Phillips.
Hey man, I'm glad to meet you finally. I knew it was only a matter of time.
That's right. We were just talking about you. You must have a good support group to you know, move your vehicles back and forth, you know. You got your wife dropping the truck off, something like that?
Yeah. Thank God for Judy.
Yeah.
You know, I had a couple brothers at one time that would do that for me. Did you catch anything
We
today?
didn't do any good today. Nobody artificial. The boys are using the shad caught a lot down at the gap.
Using live bait fishing?
Yeah, live bait. They were catching them pretty good.
You got your skeg. That's a Roanoke River skeg if I ever seen one.
He is tore up. Man, it's great to meet you. I'll be kayaking before you know it.
I'll wait till later on in April when the big females start showing up.
Yep.
And I'll switch over to top water. And I couldn't believe I didn't catch any the other day. I caught one striper, but the 5 bass that I caught was 23 pounds.
Wow.
All told.
That's
cool,
man.
It was an 8, a 7, a 6, and a couple 5s.